Ashama and welcome back to another round of Kakuu presents Afaan Oromoo lessons. Today's lesson will be about the weather, which is also called Haala Qilleensa in Afaan Oromoo. We will begin by looking at the different types of weather along with their Afaan Oromoo translations. The types of weather are referred to as Waqtiilee in Afaan Oromoo. The first one is spring, which is called Birra in Afaan Oromoo. Next we find summer, also known as Bona in Afaan Oromoo. Autumn, Arfaasa, and then we find winter, which is called Ganna in Afaan Oromoo. Next to weather types which run for limited periods of time, we find climate, which is a longer running weather impact on a certain region. Teessuma lafarratti hunda'ee bakka sadiitti qoodama, which means climate is divided into three based upon the geographical location. The first one is cold, known as Badda in Afaan Oromoo. The second one is a temperate climate known as Badda Darree in Afaan Oromoo. And the third drier climate is known as Gammoojjii in Afaan Oromoo. We have now come to the point where we will review some examples. Example 1. Qilleensi baddaa uffata furdaa barbaada. Cold weather demands thick clothing to be worn. Example 2. Bakka gammoojjiitti bishaan argachuun baay'ee ulfaataadha. It is difficult to find water in drier climate. The final part of this lesson will deal with some useful weather-related terms. Cloud, Dumessa. Cloudy, Dumessawa. Rain or rainy is referred to as Rooba yookaan Bokka in Afaan Oromoo. Rainbow, Sabbata Waaqayyo or Sabbata Gaaloo in Afaan Oromoo. Biiftuu yookaan Aduu is the sun. Cabbii, snow. Hurrii, foggy. Qorra, cold. Ho'a or O'a is hot. Goggoga or Caama is dry. Jiituu or Jid'a or Dabbana, wet. Now some examples to refresh our memory. Example 1. Baay'ee ho'aa jira. It is getting hot. Example 2. Haalli qilleensaa Finfinnee badda darreedha. Finfinnee's weather is temperate. End of lesson. Thank you for joining us for yet another round of Kakuu Presents Afaan Oromoo lessons. As always, if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to write us at kakuucollective@gmail.com. You can also find us at Kakuu Official on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Thank you.